Four big guys. Four big guys.
Yeah, Among Us, sussy balls, sweaty gaming, Discord calls, anime, Fortnite, late at night, GM Snoikerz, you know it's tight, car girls are all I want, Bella make me full of sunt, wake up brother, where you be, it's your mother, she's with me.
You know I keep a job with a lid and a stick on it, but I don't, I'm a Discord mod and I propose to a girl and this girl is my world, but I just found out that she isn't even one. My wife is gone, that's not alright, he was a man, but that's alright. Hair on the head, I think I'm in love. I love her so much, I'm never sick of her. Ears are so cute, her tail is no fright. As long as she's here, I know I'm alright. I wake up alone and then check my phone. I'm still home alone, but when I'm alone on my phone, I know she's right there and cheering me on.
Get up, clutch up, round the corner, deeply stare, scramble the radio, dial the radius, find where the cadence ends bend, or table the turns, corner the burns, escape or earn, I'm leaving patrol, going on roll, skipping the toll, save me the flight, give me the light, or stand by, silent.
Posting memes in general, mods are asleep. Posting memes in general, yeah, delete. Rest in peace, rhythm, see you next week. Now we're posting memes in general, bring in the heat. Mods online now, dodging DMs, how lyrics going smooth now, outside the box. Posting memes in general, mods are asleep. Posting memes in general, yeah, delete.